In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Word on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to access Play Store on your Android smartphone. We shall be able to download and install it from Google Play Store. Now here, I'll go ahead and search for Word, and then search by typing on the search icon here, and we have here our Microsoft Word document editor available for download, and make sure it is from Microsoft Corporation to be sure it is the right app. So at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 13 million reviews, and currently it has over 1 billion downloads. Now the file size of this app is 93 MBs, and this is the current icon for this app. So to get the latest version of Microsoft Word document editor, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Microsoft Word. And then once the download is done, it will be installed direct on your Android smartphone. Now to launch it and start using it, go ahead and tap on open, or now if you go to your apps, you should be able to see your Microsoft Word app on your Android smartphone. From here, proceed and tap on it to open. Go ahead and sign in using your email to proceed and start interacting or editing your Microsoft Word document. So that's how you can download and install Microsoft Word on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.